Hey guys, I got a quick tip for you. If anybody's curious why I have these rectangles, this is going to be on sheet 9.3, but that sheet's not created yet, so this is a good time to explain. 9.2, if I go over here, this rectangle here, all my sheets are laid out for a half inch equals a foot, so that's 24 times whatever's in paper space. So if I click on this, if I go to 9.2, that, see how it's 9.2, it's literally this shape, this size in model space times 24. It's literally, so whatever fits inside that rectangle I know will fit inside my paper space. So this is how I make it work. So I need to create the new page. So I got 9.1, 9.2, I need 9.3. So I'm gonna click right here. We're gonna go to move or copy, and whenever you make a copy of one of these, you want to go click on the next one, because it's going to make it in between, it's going to make it in front of that one. So I'm going to go to 10.1, click on it, create a copy, click OK. So now I got my copy. Right click, you can use Alt R, rename it 9.3, enter. Okay, so now I'm on 9.3, but see, it still says 9.2 because I copied 9.2. So my view is still looking at 9.2. So here's where the magic of this being the exact size of that rectangle in model space. So let's go here. Here's my 9.3. And if you don't use views, I recommend it. It took me a while to even know what they were, why they're beneficial. You type view, enter. You can set up a view. So you can see I've already got one for all my pages. I got 9.1, 9.2, and I need to add 9.3. So we do Alt N, or we just click the new button. I need page 9.3. You can define a window, current display. We're gonna do this bad boy, define the window. Click. So this right now, if I went into paper space and did view, it's gonna pull up wherever this black rectangle is. But we want it to pull up this rectangle. So I'm just gonna tap. Now my view is gonna be set to that. Hit enter. Click OK. 9.3 is there. Always click apply, otherwise you're gonna lose it. Apply. Click OK. All right. That's the hard part. Now we go to 9.3. All you're gonna do is either you can double tap into your model space, which indicated by that thick line. Now I'm in paper space, model space, paper space, or you can just type MS, enter. You can see it goes, and you can do PS, enter. So you can go back and forth. So model space, enter. Now we're going to type view. Scroll down, find that one we just made, 9.3. Click on it, right click, set current, apply. And as you notice, it took me right to 9.3. And since this box and the box in model space are the same, it's perfectly to scale. It's perfectly lined up. You don't have to sit there and, like I used to have to like click and drag around till you get your box in there. It's like, nope, it snaps directly to it because they're identical. If you have any questions on that, or if you need some more clarifications on how I made that, post a comment and I'll try and help you out. Or if you have any other tips that could help me out, let me know, because I'd appreciate it. I've been doing it a long time, but I don't know everything. I've just come up with the best ways for myself to speed things up. Oh, and by the way, I'm going to add hardware 19. Copy that. And this is the benefit of having those blocks that are all one block with multiple viz states. So I'm going to go to hardware 19. Boom. Double check. I got solid surface 2, PL1. Okay, there we go. That one's all done. Then we'll go to plot preview just because it looks the best in black and white. There you go. There she goes. And that text up in the corner, that's on a viewport layer, so it does not print. It's just there for me to visually see that view is referencing the correct page, because sometimes you might forget. You make a new layout and you forget to change your views. So 9.3, always make sure it matches your actual page. And this right here is tied to read this, so whatever I change this to, it's going to read it. And that's the way it works. All right, hope that was helpful. Talk to you guys later. Bye.